Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning device designed for chemical-free cleaning and sanitization of floors, tiles, upholstery, kitchen appliances, cars, grout, and more. It uses superheated steam to lift dirt, grime, and bacteria, providing a safe and effective cleaning solution for homes and vehicles. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas, making everyday cleaning simpler and more efficient. Let's see its features. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner comes with a 17-piece kit including specialized tools for floors, kitchens, bathrooms, vehicles, walls, and grout, ensuring adaptability across multiple surfaces. It has a large water tank that provides up to 50 minutes of continuous steam, a 1,500-watt power source, and heats up to 135 degrees Celsius for deep cleaning and sanitization. Its compact and lightweight design enhances portability, and it includes a 2-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Now, we will see its pricing. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is priced at €235 and is currently unavailable on Amazon, with no confirmed date for restocking. Here, we will talk about customer reviews on Amazon. With rating on Amazon, users praise the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner for its strong steam power, versatility, and chemical-free cleaning performance. Customers appreciate its ease of use, long steam runtime, and effectiveness on multiple surfaces. Some mention that it can take practice to use all the attachments efficiently, but overall, it is considered a reliable and high-performing steam cleaning solution. Here, we will talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner delivers powerful high-temperature steam for sanitizing hard surfaces, has a large water tank that provides a long runtime of about 50 minutes, is versatile enough to clean floors, upholstery, cars, and windows, and allows for chemical-free cleaning. On the downside, it has a longer heat uptime of around 7 to 8 minutes, is heavy and bulky which can make storage and handling difficult, is less effective on carpets or stub-borne stains, and lacks a water level indicator so that some surfaces may stay damp. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.